All right, have shot 2 in there. It looks like it stretched a little bit, and now we have even more slack in the release leg. I don't like that, but we had a really good launch angle and everything the last time. I did compensate for the gap opening because it's just so huge in there, and sitting by front loading it. There's no weight on the back at all. So what that does is effectively closing the gap by moving the center of mass, and that was opening the gap by actually opening it. So it worked out for us. I did pull the release pin back about 10 degrees or 15 degrees. We have 100 pounds. There's 100 pounds on there plus the hanger, so we're at like 125 or so, 120 maybe, with the bars and everything. Those are solid bars, 1-inch bars. I'm gonna try and keep it in the road this time. I aimed a little bit further to the right, and it hooked a little bit to the left. That sling, that's at its maximum size, and it's just barely big enough for it. As long as it can, like, if you can free hang there and the ball not fall out, you're probably okay, and it'll free hang and it through, so I'm cool with that. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yep. It also went left. Boom. That's about 280 feet.